Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making the best chicken stew ever, you guys. This recipe turned out so delicious. Just give it a try and thank me later. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. For this recipe, I'll be roasting my peppers, tatashe, bell peppers, fresh tomatoes, onions, scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. I'm going to chop them up. Open up the garlic like so. You guys, garlic is a game changer in Niger stew, especially when roasted. Try it and thank me later. I'm going to sprinkle some salt and olive oil on top of the garlic so that it doesn't burn. I will transfer in my preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes.
Delicious.
The next step is to cook my chicken. I'm using hard chicken, which is the best for Nigerian stew. It tastes better than soft chicken. I'm going to season with seasoning powder, salt, chopped onions, thyme and curry powder. I will give it a good stir. Cover and allow it to cook for 6 minutes before adding water and allow it to cook until soft. At this time, I check on the chicken. It's fully cooked. As you can see, it's quite oily, which is very normal. You can as well scoop out the excess oil and make do with the broth. I will remove the chicken from the broth and set aside. You can grill at this time, air fry or fry. I choose frying today, so feel free to do what is best for you. Here are my tomatoes and peppers. It has roasted beautifully. I'm going to allow it to cool before blending. Meanwhile, I will start frying my chicken. In a preheated oil, I will add pepper, fresh curry leaf and onions for flavor. I will drop the chicken and allow it to fry until golden brown. Is to blend my roasted tomatoes and peppers. Press in the roasted garlic like this. Very easy. You don't have to peel it one by one. Add the roasted tomatoes and blend until smooth. To make the stew, in the same oil I will add my chopped onions, fresh curry leaves, stir and allow it to fry for 3 minutes. Next I will add my blended pepper mix. I'm going to give it a good stir. Cover slightly and allow it to fry on a medium heat for about 14 to 15 minutes. Please stir now and then so that it doesn't burn. At this time, I check on the stew and give it a good stir. I'm going to add my seasoning powder and salt. I will not be adding thyme because I have it in my chicken broth, so feel free to add any spices of your choice. I will add my chicken broth, mix very well, cover and allow it to cook until oil floats on top. Few minutes later, I check on it. As you can see, it is oilier than before. That is because of the chicken broth. I'm going to decount the excess oil before you start shouting oil on my head. You can use it for your okra soup or stewed beans. Once that is done, I will add my fried chicken, stir well to combine and adjust the consistency if needed. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook on a low heat for 10 minutes. Later, our chicken stew is ready. It turned out so delicious and I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.